Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Reshma. I'm super excited to share with you some big news. I'm going on my third international trip and the destination is Malaysia. I just cannot wait to show you all the places that I'm going to explore. But before that, first things first, let's talk about packing. So in this vlog, I'm going to show you what all I'm bringing to this trip and how I'm planning to organize things. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get started. Okay, so before I even touch my suitcase, I like to make a packing list.
I take a pen and paper and write down everything that comes to my mind.
It actually helps me to stay organized and make sure that everything is packed properly and I'm not missing out on anything. So let's do this together. Step number 2 is super important. You need to check the weather of your destination. We will be visiting Kuala Lumpur. The weather forecast says that it will be hot, humid kind of weather, and the average temperatures will be ranging from 24 degree to 32 degrees Celsius, which is pretty warm for a weather, I guess. So I'll have to plan my outfits accordingly. Before I show you the outfits, let me show you the bags that I will be carrying with me. So as you can see here, these are the bags that I'll be carrying. The big one will be the check-in luggage and the small one will be my carry-on. And another important thing that I would like you to see is this packing cubes. I got these from Amazon. Step number 3 is planning your outfits in advance. So here's how I do it. First of all, I look at my itinerary, and if I know I'll be sightseeing or going out in the night, I'll be planning my outfits accordingly. This way, I know what exactly I'm bringing and I will not be ending up with just in case clothes. So I think it's time for us to get started with packing. So let's go. So I have arranged all my outfits and accessories and everything on top of my table. Let's start from this end. These are the outfits that I'm going to wear. Then we have some night suits, my makeup items, a swimsuit just in case if I am planning to go to the pool of the property. There is a cover up, a cap, then ear muff, which I will be using during the flight, and then there are sunglasses, a teddy jacket, which is part of one of my outfits, a sun hat, then some accessories, makeup remover, all these toiletry items. So I have taken the biggest packing cube from the bunch, and I'm going to fill in all my sightseeing outfits and if possible night out outfits as well inside this. I'm trying to roll the clothes and keeping it inside this cube. This way we can save more space. If you want, you can actually buckle it using this belts or whatever, but I'm not doing that. I don't think that's necessary here. Alright, so our first packing cube is ready here with all the outfits.
Now let's pack the second packing cube.
Here goes my night suits. So that's our second packing cube, all set. I've also got these cute little bags where I can fit in my accessories, my jewelry and all those cute little stuff. So let's go ahead and pack it. Okay, let's pack one by one. Here. That's some ASMR for you. Next we have got this one. Let's fill it in. Sunscreen. Let's go ahead and fill this luggage. First of all, I'm going to place my bigger one. Then goes a smaller one. A small packing cube of my undergarments. Let's fill it in. There is still space in this area, so I think we should place this cap here. So here goes the makeup set, ornaments, the toiletries, and I'm also placing my teddy jacket in here. Sunglasses goes in. So I've also got some makeup brushes and there's this eyebrow shaver. So let's fill it in. I should keep the brushes inside this bag. Yes. So the check-in bag is all set. Now let's move on to the carry-on luggage. Now let's go ahead and pack the carry-on luggage. So I'm going to pack some comfy clothes, some footwears and some extra skincare items and maybe some miscellaneous items. So here goes a pack of comfortable clothes. This pack contains my footwears, a sneaker, a heels and a pair of flats. Some extra skincare items like sheet masks, extra moisturizer, all these items goes into this pack. I'm saving some extra space on the luggage because I'm definitely planning to shop. Now let's go ahead and pack all the gadgets. So I will be packing all the electronic gadgets inside this bag and additionally I'll also be carrying some emergency items. First goes in my charger, a mini fan, power bank goes in, universal travel adapter, this is a mini light, an SSD just in case if I run out of space, an extra cable, neckband, some dry tissues, a mini pack of wet tissues, an eye mask, some gums, a pocket perfume. All the items that I have to take out every now and then like my passport, my mobile phone, my wallet, all those items goes inside this fanny pack. And I think we are all set. That's pretty much it. And I'll be coming up with more travel vlogs and I'll be sharing all my experiences in Malaysia. So please stay tuned and thank you so much for watching. This is Reshma signing off. Bye bye.